everyone, welcome to your Celavive Sleepover. I am so excited that you are going to have this basket of love in your home for the next couple of days, and you are going to get to try out these products, which I have grown to absolutely love. I'm super obsessed with them, and I'm sure you are going to love them as much as I do. So I know that we have already talked about what is going to come in this kit and the order of everything to use it, but you probably don't remember it all. So I just want to show you what you have got in your little basket of goodness here. And this is our Celavive basket. So inside of it, you are going to have the entire kit. You're going to have a mirror, you're going to have a Celavive brochure, a couple of washcloths for you to use, and then I have also included some Q-tip swabs and some cotton pads and 2 different probiotic sticks because your gut health also affects your skin health as well. So I want you to try these out while you have them as well. And then as a bonus, I've also included our whitening toothpaste because I absolutely love it, and I think that it is super underrated, and I think you need to try it. It's fluoride free, and it's a whitening toothpaste, and I can actually like brush my teeth and then go drink a glass of orange juice or grapefruit juice and not want to throw up right away because it doesn't affect your mouth because there's no fluoride in it. So here's what I want you to know for your Celavive products. You are going to start out, depending on which one you got, you either have the oily and combo kit or you have the dry and sensitive kit. And so if you have the dry and sensitive kit, these 3 products right here are going to be a little different than the ones that come in the combo to oily kit. And your first step is always going to be your makeup remover. And this is what you're going to start off with. And I just like to apply it to a few drops to a cotton pad, not exactly a cotton ball, but a cotton pad because it helps remove the makeup a little bit better. And you're gonna go ahead and use it wherever you have your makeup, on your eyes. If I have a day where I have a little bit of heavier eye makeup, I will just put some liquid on there, hold it to my eyeball for a couple of seconds, and then rub it around to get all of the makeup off. So your first step for both kits is gonna be the makeup remover. That's what you're gonna start off with. And then you are going to use the toner. Now notice that a couple of these have different colors in them, and that will actually tell you what sort of ingredients and what kind of science you're about to use on your face. So anything in the blue bottle actually has a something that's really unique to USANA, and it's called olive oil, and the extraction process is patented and the product is actually patented. So what you're getting in here is a product that's actually going to provide moisture to your skin for the next 24 hours, even after the first application. So anything in blue is super hydrating for your skin, and anything in a gray bottle actually contains USANA's intelligence technology. And that means that the stuff that's in here is going to speak to your skin cells a little bit differently than it speaks to my skin cells. So it's really specific to your skin's needs, and that's what makes it super awesome. So you are going to start here with your makeup remover. That's step 1, right? Then we're actually going to cleanse. And if you have the oily to combo kit, Celavive kit, you are going to have the creamy foam cleanser. And this cleanser is going to actually start to like bubble and foam a little bit. And while it's doing that, it's going to give you a little bit of exfoliating factors in there. So this is for the oily to combo kit, because with that exfoliating action, that's going to be really good for the oily kit, but maybe not so good if you have dry or sensitive skin. So if you have dry or sensitive skin, your cleanser is going to look like this bottle, and it's a milky base, which means it's not going to foam up like this one does. It's going to be a little bit better for your sensitive skin, and this one's not, don't look for that bubble action because you're not going to get it in that one. This one here, the back of the bottle says use a cherry size amount. I don't want to open that one yet for you. It actually says a cherry size amount, but you really only need to use like a pea-sized amount. So with all of these products, a little bit goes a long way. Start small first and then work your way up if you feel like you need some more product. So start here and here. These are your cleansers after you do the makeup remover. And then after you cleanse, you are going to go ahead and just pat your face dry. Be careful not to rub too much and pull on your skin. Just pat your face dry. And then your next step is going to be the toner. And the toner I actually love to use and just actually put a couple of drops on the palm of my hand instead of putting it on a cotton pad. Put it on the palm of my hand, rub them together, and rub it on my whole face. The toner is really important because you've just cleansed your face twice with the makeup remover and with the cleanser. And what you're gonna do now is actually bring some pH balance back to your skin after you've kind of stripped the dirt and the oils away. So this is gonna bring back pH balance, and then it's also going to be really good for the tone and texture of your skin. And it's got the Intelligence technology in it. So that is awesome. Then your next two steps are what we call the enhancers, and that is going to be either your eye cream or the serum, and you can use these in either order that you want to, but I always choose to use the eye essence first. I feel like it's a little bit lighter, and so I want to put the lighter cream on before the heavier cream. But these two things are like the mama jammas. These are like the cat's pajamas, the cat's meows, all of those things. They're amazing. So since this is our Celavive Sleepover kit, and you can actually see the way that this applicator is, it's really awesome. You can squeeze the product out. It's got a nice cool metal applicator so that when you do put it on your skin, underneath your eyes, it's a nice cooling effect there to spread it around. But since we're sharing this one, what I want you guys to do is use the cotton swabs, whatever these are called. They're like ear cleaners. I don't know what these are called. Q-tips, there it is. And you're just going to squeeze a little bit of product on the actual Q-tip, and then from there I would suggest putting it on your fingers, around and around your eyes, wherever you need it. That way we can continue to use these and continue to share it and have people experience it, but we're not sharing germs with each other. So this eye nourisher is one of my favorites because as we age, as we get older, we get the circles, we get the dark, we get the wrinkles, we get the crow's feet, and this is really good. It's got Intelligence in it, it's got some avocado oil in it, and that we know avocado oil is a really good fat, right? So we know it's good for our diet. It's also really good for our under eye area because it's gonna help with lipid production, and so that's gonna be a healthy fat to give you back that youthful plumpness to your skin instead of kind of like dragging under eye area. So this one right here, definitely a keeper. And then you're gonna go with the serum. The serum is your next step. And again, this is one of those things that says 2 to 3 pumps. You definitely do not need 2 to 3 pumps. Start with 1 pump on this, and then you can move it around your face and see how you feel. But this is absolutely amazing. It's very hydrating. This, I really don't know what to tell you about it other than it is my absolute favorite. I don't go a day or a night without putting this on my face. All of these things that we've done so far, depending on if you have makeup or not, I cleanse, I tone, and I put both of these on day and night. So in your morning or your nighttime routine, you're gonna use these. This is great for your skin, for wrinkles, anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, like all of the love in the world is packaged in that little bottle right there. So those are going to be your enhancers, and then we're going to go to the steps that are going to be a little bit different. So obviously in the daytime you're going to use a day cream, and the nighttime you are going to use the nighttime one, but these are the ones that come different whether you use the combo to oily kit or whether you have the dry and sensitive kit. So again, these are formulated based on what your skin needs for what skin type you have. So if you have the dry and sensitive kit, you are going to use the ones that say creams on them because those are going to be a little bit more sensitive to your skin's needs. And if you have the oily to combo kit, you guys are using the lotions. So the daytime lotion comes in this little guy right here. You're going to shake it up a little bit. It's got some SPF in it, UVA and UVB ray protectors, and you're just going to put a little dot of it on your fingers, rub it around your face. Really good if you're going to be out in the sun. And it's also actually a really good primer for your makeup if you're somebody who uses foundation. So that's a little extra tip for you too. So daytime would be either one of these, and then nighttime is going to be your nighttime gel. This is like a little bit of a blue pearly color. It's really hydrating. Again, it's got the Intelligence technology in it so that when we are going to sleep at night, when your body is trying to rest and replenish from all of the stressors that we experience during the day, you've got something that is actually going to speak directly to the needs of your skin cells. So these are your nighttime lotions for the combo to oily or the dry and sensitive kit. And those are all of the Celavive products in there. Don't forget, you've got the 2 sticks of probiotics in here. I like to take them with my dinner. You could also take them with your breakfast if you want. These guys are great for your immune system. They are great for gut health, and it's so important for the health of your skin. So try these out. I take one of these every single day, and then I am also throwing a lip balm in there for you to try. So I hope you enjoy your Celavive Sleepover. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you forget how something works or what an ingredient is, let me know, and I can't wait to hear how you love your Celavive experience.